Hi, this is Deborah Sable Thornbrew, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to embed a video clip into a PowerPoint 2016 slide. On my screen I have a blank slide with placeholders in it. These little ghost looking type icons here in the middle are placeholders, and you can click on any of these to insert one of these types of objects into the slide. So the one in the lower right corner, this one here, is what you would click to insert video. So from here, I can just click on the icon. And at this point in time, Microsoft has it set up so that for PowerPoint, you can really only use YouTube videos. If you have your own video that you recorded and saved as a file on your computer, you should be able to embed that as well. But right now they're saying that YouTube videos are the ones that are working the best. I would probably choose this center one here. If you're going to look for a video online, go to this middle choice and click inside Search YouTube. Now before I do that, I just want to mention this one from a video embed code. I would not recommend doing this one, using this method to embed video, unless you know how to find the embed code on a YouTube video. And I'm not going to show you how to do that in this video. It's not something I expect my students to do at this point in the class, so I would recommend just clicking the center one for YouTube alone. And here you would just type a phrase of the type of video that you're looking for. So in this example, I'm going to put in Martin Luther King Jr. Let's say I want to look for his I Have a Dream speech. So I'm just going to put his name in there and tap the Enter key on my keyboard. And it will call up all the different videos that exist right now in YouTube of speeches and things that he has done. Now, of course, he did more than just that one speech, but that's the most famous one. So I'm going to just choose that one, and it's here in different formats. So I'm going to just click one and then click Insert in the lower right area down here. So here's the video embedded in my slide. Now I can move it around, I can increase the size, and as I do that it generally keeps its quality, whatever quality it happens to have. Unless you really make it way too big, then it'll just look pixelated. It won't look good. So try to keep it, to a decent size, but that one that you or your audience can view easily. So when you have this selected, notice that I've got my little resizing circles around the edge, so it is selected. If you go up here to the top of your ribbon, you'll see video tools. These are contextual ribbons. You can format the video in different ways. You can give it special visual effects. You can give it different colors. Of course, it also depends on the nature of the video. Not all videos can be formatted very easily. It depends on the original format of the video. So you may not have much luck in older ones like this one, but you can do different things with it. You can also go here to the playback tab and decide and make choices about how you want this video to play. You can, some videos let you have more leeway than this one does. If I go up here, for example, to the start choices, you can either choose automatically, in which case the video should start immediately as soon as you get to that slide in the slideshow when you're running it, or you can choose on click, meaning that when you get to this slide in the slideshow, you have to click on the video to make it start. Now, it depends on your point, what it is you're trying to do, what kind of effect you want. Some videos will start automatically if you choose that, and some won't. See what happens here if I click automatically? I get this little message, this command is not supported for this object. So, not all videos can be set to run automatically. So I have to go to on click. Now as I run the slideshow, watch what happens. I'm just going to go ahead and start running the slideshow from this slide. And it takes a moment, because it's embedded and it's a couple of megabytes in size, it takes a moment for it to set up. Now in this example here, I have embedded the video inside a picture or clip art of a television set, just because I thought it might be fun to do. So what I do here is I have layered the video on top of the television set. I'm going to go ahead and play the video.
I have a dream that one day this nation will rise up.
Okay, I'm going to stop it at this point. This is only a 1 minute 18-second video. I'm not going to play the whole thing here, but you can see how it works when you bring in and embed a video from YouTube. Sometimes it'll run automatically, sometimes it won't, and you have to just click on it to get it started. And that's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. So that's how you embed a video. Now, I'm going to escape from the slideshow and get back to normal view just to show you how I did this. I'm going to click and drag the video away for just a moment and show you that before I found the video and embedded it, I put this here first. I created this picture of a television screen, and all I did to get that was I went to I'm going to go ahead and delete the television screen picture. You can go here to the icon if you have it for pictures. If you don't have that icon, you can go up to the Insert tab on your ribbon and click Online Pictures, or if you have a picture on your computer as a file, you can go to the pictures to the left of that and click Pictures. But I'm going to go to Online Pictures, and I'm going to search for, in Bing, I'm going to search for television screen, press enter, and it brings up different versions of television screens. I'm going to go ahead and choose this old-fashioned looking one and then click insert, and I'm going to expand it, make it a little bit bigger. And actually, I think I want to get rid of the white background on here as well. So I'm going to do that. Let's see, I'm going to go over here and click Remove Background. I'm going to click Mark Areas to Remove. I'm going to then spread out these resizing circles all the way to the outer border lines, away from the picture of the TV set. Spread it out. Sometimes it's hard to do that. Okay. And then I'm going to click Keep Changes. And there you can see I got rid of the white background. It's just the TV set alone. So I'm going to keep that here. Now I'm going to take the video and place it inside the television screen, and I can do it that way, or I can also go back and into my arrange button here and bring it to the front if I wanted to do that, or just keep it in the back, send to back, which frankly looks better. And now I'm going to run it and see if it will run okay. So I'm going to click to run the slideshow. Let's wait for it to bring up the tool, the start button. And click to start the video.
I have a dream that one day this nation will rise up.
Okay, I clicked to stop. It's very interesting that it brought the video forward in order to play it instead of keeping it behind the television screen. I'm going to escape here, and in here it looks like it's behind the TV, but when you're playing it, it isn't. So you might want to play with how that works. You might want to bring the TV to the back and then resize the video so that it fits inside the frame of the television picture. Just kind of click and drag it up like that, make it look a little bit better. But that's how you embed a video into a slide so it becomes part of the slideshow. Now there's advantage to that, meaning you don't have to be, once you save this, you don't have to go online and be connected to the website or to YouTube online. It's part of the slideshow. But the drawback to that is that embedding a video into a slideshow makes the file, the PowerPoint file, very, very heavy with lots of megabytes in it because videos are very heavy. You use a lot of megabytes, a lot of memory. Another way to have a video in a slide is to just have a link to that video rather than the actual embedding, which works better in the sense that your file isn't as heavy. It just links. It has a link only, and then when you click the link, it'll take you out to the YouTube website, and you can watch the video on YouTube itself. So it's really, either way is fine, however you want to do it. And so creating the link is pretty easy. You can, I can just make the link into this right here, actually, into this piece of text. I can put it here in the slide. I can turn that into a hyperlink. Let me go to this video, and I'm going to select and copy this link up here, this address. Then I'm going to go back into my PowerPoint slideshow, and I'm going to turn this text into that link. So I've selected the text, it's highlighted, and now I go to my Insert tab and I click Link right here in the middle. Make sure it says existing file or web page. Then in the address bar down here at the bottom, I paste in that YouTube address and click OK. And now as I run the slideshow, I'll show you that this is now, this whole title is now a link to that video. So I can click anywhere on this title and it will connect me to YouTube itself and run that video.
So even though
Okay, so that's how it works. So you can either put in an actual embedded video that runs within the slide, or you can put in a link to a website outside of PowerPoint to run the video that way.